I think I let a lizard in. They try to blame it on me and say I let it in, but I don't think so.
I'm freezing fast.
It's like when you forward. Overboard. Is you a Twinkie or is you a toaster strudel?
No. I'm just getting ready to go to the airport. For a little girl's trip. Just brush my teeth. I'm about to floss. Oh, do y'all like floss first or after y'all brush your teeth? I do it either or, but lately I've been doing. Sorry if this is nasty. Oh yeah, I've been doing after. And then rinsing with mouthwash. I don't know. But we're getting ready to go to the airport. Our flight leaves at 12:40. It's like 9:23 right now. Bro, if I'm right about that, hold on. Shit. It's like 9:18. I just swear. I swear I'm motherfucking something. I don't know. And be wrong. But yeah, I got my hair done last night. I got it done. She finished at like 3 in the morning. Because low-key, like I told y'all, she did it for me at the last minute. If you watched the other vlog, you know what I went through to get to here. The one before this. But yeah, she did it at the very last minute. Literally. Made me a glueless wig install. Slayed it. Laid it. And we got done at 3 in the morning. And I'm up at 9. Actually, I woke up at like 8:45. At 8:45, just to be safe. Because y'all know, being late for flights, give me the bubbles. Oh yeah. That's what we're on today. Little Florida girls trip. A little creek trip. Trip that y'all gonna be with me whole time. Karen gonna be intoxicated or not, Karen gonna be right here in my face. Yeah. So like I said, I flossed and gotta get everywhere. If you think you ain't get it, do it again. And I just went to some mouthwash. That was excessive. We got Chick-fil-A, and we at the terminal. We on the way. We out. I can't say mine. About 3 hours. Right. What you cooking? Trey looking for that juice, niggas.
I would never leave you unless you deceive me. Tell me that you love me, show me that you need me. You know where my heart at, without you I stop breathing. Don't believe in them hoes, they gon' talk tryna get even. I lay on your chest just so I can hear your heartbeat faster and faster. That shit help me go to sleep. I'm young and I'm black, sometimes I
Got the riddle? Okay.
They can say what they want.
We on the way. We on the Big Monster.
This Big Monster about to pull up on me.
Okay, we out. I left my camera at home because I didn't feel like bringing it, but we're getting something to eat at Rocco's Tacos and Tequila. I don't think it's Tuesday. It's Thursday. But they both got T's in them, so does it really matter? No.
So West Bloomfield.
Oh, they started off with it on the drink menu. So my food came.
I got
Cheez-Its,
nachos.
So you want to eat no nacho on the ice cream shop?
Strawberry frozen drink.
Do it taste burrito?
It don't really taste like liquor, so that's good. But yeah.
Oh, that's that, them tacos.
So we just came back from getting some tacos and like some drinks or whatever, but I want to show y'all the house. So this is when you first walk in, and then we got like a little living area. It's a me. It's a me. It's a me. And then we got the kitchen right here. Let me see, turn on the light. Kitchen. Raven? Okay, Raven's bathroom's over here. Or her bedroom's over here.
This your vlog?
Yeah.
Alright, bye.
And then a washer and dryer. And then we got, like, okay, so the dining area and a little sitting area. Then you go outside and we got a little patio and then our pool that we're actually about to get into. But I wanted to like catch it while it was still light outside. It's really pretty. Let me see if it's warm. It's warm. It's low-key like heated. I don't know. There's the neighbor's house over there. Yeah, we're about to take some shots and I'm gonna finish showing y'all the rest of the house because I didn't show y'all my room. It's a Tamora.
Hi, sir.
It really is. It really is. We already pre-gamed at the restaurant. Okay, this is Rachel's room. It's dark. This bitch is a bad. Period. Yes. Cause she was in the dark.
Yes, honey.
Period. Ooh, serving body.
Serving
Body yardy yardy. And it's a bathroom over there.
Yes,
okay.
it is.
Okay. Wait. Okay, my camera messing up. It's not. Oh, okay. So this is her bathroom. Nice little shower, toilet, and yeah. And she got this really pretty mirror. Another bathroom right there. And then Tamora's bed and my bed. It's messy because I got here later than them, so I had to rush, but don't worry about all that. We are about to change our swimsuits.
I want to put on my cutest swimsuit because.
Nah, I can't.
Yeah. You said you.
That's for the.
That's my sheet. This my okay. All right.
No, I definitely just put a swimsuit in there, like just threw it at the last minute.
Blunt. Wait, I'm right. She's kind of on the deep side.
Yeah, I didn't expect all that. I thought a little, you know. Okay, wait. Am I supposed to like use the floaty like this?
I don't know how you use that. I think I had one like that and I broke the seat part. Kill it. Bro. It's a mosquito by me.
Oh, that's pretty. Okay, wait.
Okay. Tyler, the floaty not for you, bro. It ain't me. Bro,
How do you work it?
Yeah, it's not good.
oh, damn, that's motherfucker.
That is so
Not chlorine.
My face all over this floaty.
Let me get my ass in my mouth.
Because I don't know how to save lives, bitch. Bitch, what is for it? God.
Tomorrow, you like your mom.
Tomorrow, you tall ass bitch, get your ass in here.
Yeah.
And these we the tall gang.
Yeah, tall gang. Tall gang.
This bitch said tall gang.
Get us on here.
Bitch, 4'9".
Girl, don't go no far.
You look just like your mama today. Oh my
Fall
god.
into the ground. Don't go no far. That shit ain't even cold. This ain't y'all coming there home. My head. Somebody grab me. Raven died or something like what?
Hi, friend. Hi. Welcome to our vacation. Yes. We're out here living life. You know what I'm saying? Lavishly.
Old lady gang.
Oh, pick at the rose. Pick at the rose. Fat.
You're pushing it. Good God, they got flooded teens and shit. That's an even lose that bitch. I'm like, put that nigga out. Okay, we're bacon around these. Where we going?
Oh, shut up. Shut up, Skip. Shut up,
Cinnamon donut right now, bitch.
We're going to the DB, friend. That's swim.
You too dead.
I'll give it a bro.
Oh
my God.
I'm
gonna turn it on.
That ass too. You know. Bitch, took it. 4. Bitch, is you a Twinkie or is you a toaster?